Dude, that's sick.
Welcome back to another episode of our Lamborghini Urus Chevy Tahoe body swap, chassis swap. And on this episode, we are going to be taking off the rest of the body of the car manually. Oh my gosh. And if you don't know about this project, so pretty much we're taking the body of a Lamborghini Urus and we're putting it on this Tahoe. We're making long travel suspension, a wide body, fender flares, twin turbos, which it already has. If you want to check out previous episodes of this, you can visit our YouTube channel, link in the description below, and you can check it out. But this whole Tahoe body is coming off. But before that, we kind of just want to have some fun, and so that's what these sledgehammers are doing.
Doors might be good stuff, but they're...
Oh yeah, the doors might... No. Oh my gosh. Taking out your frustrations on that poor car.
Yeah.
We need fire in this video. Think I can break the window?
Oh gosh, no, it'll go everywhere.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh! Yo, that was pretty amazing.
A little more dramatic than I anticipated.
This is gonna be way more fun with fire.
What are you about to do?
We'll have to cut these doors.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, man! Oh my god!
That was $500 right there. I'm not even kidding you. That's the value in the whole truck.
Not even broken. Look, it's ready to go.
It's perfect.
You get 500, just give me 50 bucks.
Oh my god! I think you're probably gonna set the car on fire.
That's not a big deal at this point of it.
The carpet is gonna burn.
This is not a car either, by the way.
A few moments later.
Yo, it's actually on fire. I know inside.
Oh gosh, okay.
Don't break it up. Do we need a fire extinguisher? Are we gonna give up and give a
water?
Fire extinguisher? It's good. It's burning inside still, isn't it? Rip that right off there. So. Well, I guess it's... Yeah, what's this? Inside Unless I'd be like a gazelle, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
Thanks, Spencer.
Yeah.
Dang, the floor is nice.
We're gonna cut the base of the firewall across the floor so we can leave the firewall in place for now, eliminate everything else, and then we'll put the Lambo on.
Things where we're going yet. What's the width?
5.5 foot. Right here. Leaving the majority of the floor, if we can save the floor.
So do you measure
I
the...
measured the Lamborghini, and then now we're gonna see if we can retain this floor plan,
Oh, awesome.
which I think we can.
We have the body on today. We will be having the body on.
I think we can just trim that straight off.
Zip cut it right across.
Then
Just take off the rocker skin then.
Then all we're gonna do
where
is
the
make a
seam
little
sealer
filler
is.
panel between the Lambo and the thing. gonna have to go in there and detach the wiring harness underneath because that could be mechanical.
Man, I'm like a surgeon.
You might need wipers. You never know. Oh my gosh, what if we take it off-road and things?
Wait, Rain-X.
You don't even have a windshield.
Yeah. What if we put like leg stand or something on?
Yeah, we'll put that new ceramic hydrophobic.
Oh my, we're gonna need, no, don't throw away the wipers. Just save the wipers.
Helmets.
Oh, just save the wipers, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Put all that new hydrophobic stuff on there. Put it. Now it looks like the shit wheel from Trailer Park Boys.
Yeah, exactly. Fingers in a guardrail.
What's wrong with the brake lines?
Look at how corroded they are.
Oh my gosh.
Flaking apart.
They don't exist anymore.
Yeah.
Cherry GMT 900.
We'll put some tires first and we'll make a monster truck.
Yeah, let's get the tires on it and we'll see if we fire it up.
Somebody out there is looking for that.
You know what's funny though is that this is still like 10 G's.
High speed balancing.
Making good progress today.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get the Lambo body on here. We're almost done with the major wheel clearancing for the front. So this thing should be able to function. I want to see this thing do another burnout before the end of the day.
Yep.
And I think I can hear in the peanut gallery, they're talking about putting the body on still, so.
So if we roll this into the shop, bring the gantry out and put the body right here, and then roll that thing out, and then back that thing out.
And then roll that thing out and then back that thing out and then roll the back and back the
I thought it was just me.
Someone give him a joint.
Yeah, we're not. It's too wide. We're gonna be setting this on top, which is fine.
What is too wide? The Tahoe?
Yeah, it's too wide. We gotta trim it right to the flush to the thing. 4 inches.
We're gonna go to the edge of the rocker.
Yeah, it's gonna sit right inside here.
Well, we just put this on there and then you just use this rocker as like a skid plate kind of deal. Do like a box deal or
It's
something.
not going to sit inside because that's going to stop it from sitting down.
Oh, this.
Oh, this part.
Yeah, that's longer for sure.
No, that means this is hanging over the back of the tire.
Oh. Yeah, I need some loving.
So that means this won't fit over this.
So we cut that front part off on the Lambo, or we leave it on the Lambo and cut it off here?
Cut it off here, leave it on the Lambo. We're going to cut this back
So we can do that right now.
and then set it in.
Yeah, we basically gotta like just hack that right up.
Zip, zip, goodbye. This actually requires some engineering.
We got to take some measurements. This feels like a Monday problem. For now, we should probably just do another burnout.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down for the burnout. Let's do
Yeah.
the burnout thing.
Move this thing.
That
and
sounds
then
cool.
burnout.
Brett,
You're up.
Brett, you're the burnout
You're the Lambo Burnout guy.
There's
Strap the milk crate down.
Oh,
We're gonna strap Brett to the milk.
Oh, you got it, because you strap it right down to it.
Yeah, buddy, put a strap over
Hey,
that.
put it the other way and just bolt it down.
transformed it. So cool. This is how we end the week. This is some fun times.
There we go.
Keep pulling.
Yeah, we don't have seats, so we have to use strap
This
Brett
is a
into the
seatbelt.
milk cart. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I think we broke something.
I think it's better now. This is so great.
It's so awesome.
Oh my.
Wheels loose.
Yeah, the wheel's loose.
Oh, the wheel is loose.
Probably is now.
I didn't put these ones
Spraying
on.
all over the back.
Hey, I didn't put these ones on.
Oh, that's the axle bearing probably.
Oh, it's probably brake
See
fluid.
the space between the wheels.
I know, but what's this?
Yeah, that's the brake fluid.
The whole neighborhood was somewhere in Mexico. Oh man.
Yeah, I think that's brake fluid. The caliper's wet.
Thank you guys for watching this video. On the next episode, we're gonna be trying to make this Urus body fit on the Tahoe chassis because now we've pretty much cut off most of the body work, or actually all the body work. And so if you guys want to see that, be sure to like this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, all of that stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next video.